Be ready. Start. Feeling aggrieved and dissatisfied with the impugned judgment and order dated 27/11/2017 passed by the High Court of Judicature at Madras in appeal suit number 94 of 2010, by which the High Court has allowed the said appeal by quashing and setting aside the judgment and decree passed by the learned trial court dismissing the suit for specific performance and consequently decreeing the suit. The original defendant has preferred the present civil appeal number 6014 of 2021. The defendant as review applicant has preferred the present civil appeal. The facts leading to the present appeal in a nutshell are as under. An agreement for sale of the property situated in Coimbatore was entered into between the plaintiff and the defendant, wherein the defendant agreed to sell the same for a sale consideration of rupees 16 lakhs to the plaintiff. A part sale consideration of rupees 3,60,000 was paid at the time of execution of the agreement to sell. There were certain conditions stipulated in the agreement to sell. One of the conditions was that the defendant, as original owner, was required to evict the tenants from the property in question and thereafter to execute the sale deed on receipt of the full sale consideration. The plaintiff sent a legal notice to the defendant asking to evict the tenants from the property in question and to execute the sale deed on receipt of the balance sale consideration vide notice dated 1/7/2016. That thereafter the plaintiff filed the present suit before the learned trial court for specific performance of the contract. It was the case on behalf of the plaintiff that he was ready and willing to perform his part of the contract, but the defendant did not evict the tenants and came forward to execute the sale deed. Therefore, it was averred in the plaint that the defendant has to evict the tenants and perform his part of the contract and execute the sale deed. It was pleaded on behalf of the plaintiff that he was ready with the cash in his savings account and therefore he was always ready to perform his part of the contract. The defendant contested the suit by filing the written statement. Readiness and willingness on the part of the plaintiff and to perform the specific part of the contract was specifically denied. It was submitted that vacant possession was already known to the plaintiffs as the tenant had been vacated, and in spite of such the plaintiff was not ready to pay the remaining consideration. On appreciation of evidence and considering the pleadings in the plaint, the pay remaining consideration. The learned trial court held the issue of readiness on part of the plaintiff in favor of the plaintiff, however, held that the plaintiff was not willing to get the sale deed executed as it is and therefore held the issue of willingness against the plaintiff. The trial court also held that the defendant has failed to prove that tenants had vacated the suit property as claimed. However, the learned trial court held on willingness against the plaintiff by observing that the plaintiff has not shown the willingness to purchase the property with the tenants and there are no such pleadings in the plaint and that the plaintiff has not elected to purchase the property as its nature. Stop.